The Mekelong Railway Market is one of the most unusual markets in the world, because a train passes through the market 8 times a day. The market and the railway line have coexisted for more than 100 years. And despite the seemingly dangerous nature of this unusual setup, there are relatively few injuries or fatalities. It is known locally for its excellent choice of fresh fish, but can be crowded with visitors. So if you want a good vantage point of the train, grab a seat in one of the local cafes and order a coffee or tea while you wait. When the train comes through, the market vendors calmly roll back their awnings and push their stalls out of the way of the oncoming train. That's why the market is locally known as the Talat Rom Hoop, which translates into market umbrella clothes. The train's foghorn announces its arrival just before it rounds the bend. Now that's the sound you can't ignore. Right down the middle and close enough to touch. The baskets of fruits and vegetables are shifted just enough as not to be sliced by the metal wheels. As soon as the train passes, the stalls are pushed back into place, as if nothing extraordinary had ever happened, and it's hard to believe that tons of metal just rumbled its way through. If you liked this video, subscribe to our channel and watch the next video.
Dream
Explore and travel with us.